Hello, neet aspirants. Let me introduce about myself. I am Dr. Srikanth Kumar. Last year I got 32,700 rank. Now I got 3,221. Why notes important in preparation? It is unable to read whole book during revision and it is time consuming. So habit of making concise notes and reading makes revision fast. Let us discuss three important tips for making notes. Tip number 1, make notes concise. We have to bring many pages of a topic into a single paper. We have to concise it. Most toppers use this technique for fast revision. According to me, making notes is directly proportional to your rank. Now I will show some examples how to make notes concise. Pregnancy-induced hypertension in OPS consists of 7 papers. So we have to concise all 7 papers into a single paper like this. Another example of pharyngeal arches. In biochemistry, it is even more important to make notes. Tip number 2, mark decision need and aims questions in notes. Because by marking in your notes, we will stress mainly on those points while reading. For example, see the arrow marks where I noted recent need question. Tip number 3, highlight the important points in your notes. Bonus tip, make stick notes of any easily forgettable topics like IPCs, pharma drugs, and culture medias, and stick them on wall. And make habit of reading stick notes every day. I believe this is an important step in our NEET PG preparation. So please follow these tips and make your preparation awesome. Please like, share, and subscribe.